Okay, it is in here, right? Which is the actual model which we created? Can you check the SLX model? It will be, which is the .slx.
Yeah, nothing but in this folder also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, it is there. So what you can do, you just copy this file and paste it in some blank folder. Create a new folder and paste this file into there. Just copy and paste this file only.
Okay.
Yeah.
From here I have to copy.
Yeah, copy the file that you have already opened. Yeah, that file. Done. No, from there only you copy. Not from here. Here maybe it is. Yeah, that one.
Or
Copy. Yeah, and go to the new folder. Paste it. And yeah, now change the path to this folder for MATLAB. Yeah, paste it here. Enter. Okay,
yeah.
and close the automated mbt.m. Yeah. So first of all, yeah, you can close this also.
Right.
So first type guide, GUIDE. GUIDE in small. Yeah, E. Yeah, enter. Okay, now first we need to design the front end, right? That we have discussed in the screenshot. So to do that, first you need to add a panel. Can you check left side, which is the panel? Slider.
Slider one.
Panel is maybe downside. Downside, two elements are there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now draw the panel. Yeah. So this is the tool panel. Okay. Yeah. Leave it. Yeah. Now over the panel, you need to draw for the other like the fields that we can enter. One more panel inside this panel. First, add the buttons maybe. First is the text. There is edit text and text, right? Two text are there in the left side. Yeah. There is a txt written, right, on the left side. txt down, blue color. Yeah, that is static text, I think. Yeah, you need to draw it there. Yeah, just a small one. Yeah, which will be enough to write mass. Leave it like that. Yeah, double click on that. Yeah. Expand that one. Yeah. In there, to go down, yeah, static text is written, right? There you need to write mass. String, against string, it is written static text. There you need to write mass. So like that you need to do for the others. Spraying damper as well. Yeah. Close this. Yeah. So you need to keep everything aligned. Maybe click on that and use your arrow key to move. Yeah. Yeah. Like that. Maybe two more. Spring, right? Constant. Spring constant or spring. Yeah. Anything is fine. And other one is damper. Yeah, it is done. You expand that boundary, you will get it. Okay. Maybe once you do it, you need to press enter, then only it will work. Yeah, it is empty. Yeah, there you can write temper.
Right.
Just, then beside that you need to add the corresponding edit field. Edit field is beside just there. Just expand it so that yeah you can enter the value. Yeah, you need to keep it blank where edit text is written. Yeah, like this you do for the others. Am I audible?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Okay. Then we need to have push buttons. Push
Hello.
button will be. Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Right.
Yeah. You can hear me, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you drag two push buttons. A left side push button will be there. I think that is the one. Okay. Some square box is the first one. Yeah, you can draw a box. You already have clicked right. Downside maybe there. Double click on that button. Execute. You type for the string. Yeah, and for the tag, you also type execute. Yeah, tag. Enter.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
style.
No, no, no. Yeah. Again, do for reset button. No, the same button, but this will be reset. Maybe you need to copy it and then this will be the reset one. Reset. Both in place of execute, you can write reset.
In the tag.
Yeah. Okay. Now we need plot. There is a plot type of picture type of thing, right? Yeah.
Yes.
That you have to drag and plot it in the space where, yeah, expand it. And what you can do also, yeah, this is enough, I think. On the top, there is a panel written, right? Panel, yeah. Double
Yeah.
click on that, yeah. And just remove that panel word from the string, yeah. Okay, enter. Now just the canvas, right? That is the X side means the grid part. Just move the panel to little to the corner, the main panel that these, yeah, the square box, yeah, yeah. Not like that, maybe little space you give, yeah, yeah. And you resize the main area, that is the white space, not that one, it is already okay. The other one, that, no, not that one, the main biggest one where you are drawing it, right? Initially there was a box type of thing, right? On the which you have drawn it.
This one.
No, downside corner, which is ending the white zone, not that one. Ending the white zone, that this is inside panel, right? Panel is being
Right.
covered in the area, right? Yeah, that one.
Oh,
You
okay.
resize that. resize, give some boundary so that it will look good. Four sides should be same. Yeah. Now what you can do, you just save it first. Save it with mass temper GUI, mass temper GUI underscore all. Okay. Yeah. Now if you give the file a run, the one you have created, right? No, the GUI. You have created the GUI, right? Not there. Downside, the file will be open. That file was open. You were editing, right? The diagram. The diagram. Go down. Go down in the other windows of MATLAB. It will be available. Play it. Give it a play. Okay. Your GUI will be looking like this. Okay.